She doesn't even realize it.
Becca, do the hippo.
Are you taping me?
No. My camera doesn't have record.
Then why are you asking me to do the hippo?
No, because you've never done it for me.
Becca, you want to know the hippo?
At least do fat guy. Do the fat guy noise or something.
No.
Please.
Becca, I have a list too. Say it! Hey Shelby, do I hear what it is?
She's not here.
She's not here.
No, but that's
Look, Shelby. Shelby's right there.
Shelby, no.
Okay, I know that.
You're recording me.
I'm not recording
Are you just watching me through your camera? Just no. You're.
Hippo. Hey, Shelby, you want to hear what a hippo sounds like?
No.
Come on.
You're so recording me, you douchebag.
Oh my god.
The techno song, I have it on my iPod. We're listening to it.
Sing it for us.
No. You have to listen to it. You have to listen to this. Tell me you're recording this. That was the funniest 2 seconds of my life. Okay?
I can't do anything. I'm gonna
Stop!
He doesn't always cry. It's Skippy, okay?
Techno song. Stop it, we're trying to get a techno song and I can't speak.
I can give you a techno song right now.
No, Shelby. The techno song. Alright, listen and listen. Quiet. Oh, our techno song.
Because it's on a memory card.
Can I hear it another?
Come here, Nicole. Nicole, come here. Here, no, you guys pick one.
Let it over.
Let it over. Listen. That's where it's from.
Oh, you guys recorded this? You got it on your iPhone?
A little late there, hon.
It's just the fat one.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Wait,
You guys, it was me
Shelby,
and Kelsey. You have to listen to the first try. It's the funniest,
Hold on.
Listen. It was the first try, right when Shelby was like, play. Remember that night? Yeah. Listen.
Play.
It's like 11.
We couldn't stop laughing.
Catch my cha-la-la.
Wait.
Okay, put it away.
That was me laughing. I couldn't take it. Wait, can I see Hip Hip laugh?